Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at one of the most extreme and imaginative automotive creations you can think of for 2026, a Bugatti-inspired luxury motorhome concept that blends hypercar DNA with futuristic long-haul design. This is not just a vehicle, it is a rolling statement of excess, technology, and design ambition, aimed at people who want the prestige of Bugatti combined with the comfort of a private jet on wheels. Starting with the exterior, the first thing that grabs attention is the unmistakable Bugatti design language translated into a massive motorhome body. The iconic horseshoe grille dominates the front, reinterpreted here with smooth aerodynamic edges and integrated LED lighting. The front fascia looks more like a concept hypercar than a truck, with sculpted body panels, deep air channels, and an ultra-low stance for something of this size. The LED headlamps are razor-thin, stretching horizontally to give the vehicle a wide, aggressive presence, while the daytime running lights create a signature glow that makes it instantly recognizable even at night. Moving along the sides, the design becomes even more dramatic. The body features flowing lines inspired by Bugatti's C-line, running elegantly from the front to the rear. Large circular windows add a futuristic yacht-like feel and also break up the massive side profile. The use of gloss white, black accents, and metallic detailing gives it a clean yet ultra-premium look. Massive multi-axle wheels with aerodynamic covers not only support the weight but also enhance stability and visual drama. Every inch of the exterior feels designed to reduce drag while maximizing presence. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar, integrated diffuser-style elements, and clean surfaces give it a modern, high-tech finish, making it look just as stunning from behind as it does from the front. Stepping inside, the interior takes luxury to an entirely new level. This is where hypercar philosophy meets private residence comfort. The cabin is expected to be crafted with the finest materials available, including premium leather, carbon fiber trims, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting throughout. The driver's cockpit looks more like a Bugatti cockpit than a traditional truck, featuring a fully digital curved display, minimalist controls, and a steering wheel inspired by Bugatti sports cars. Everything is driver-focused but still extremely comfortable, designed for long-distance travel without fatigue. Behind the cockpit, the living area opens up into a spacious, open-plan luxury lounge. Panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, while smart glass technology allows instant privacy at the touch of a button. Plush seating, possibly modular, can transform from a relaxing lounge into a dining or entertainment area. A high-end entertainment system with large OLED screens, surround sound audio, and seamless connectivity ensures you are never disconnected from the world. The kitchen area is designed like a luxury apartment rather than a motorhome. Expect integrated appliances, hidden storage, premium countertops, and smart systems that optimize space without compromising functionality. The bedroom area offers a full-size luxury bed, soft ambient lighting, and sound insulation that makes it feel like a five-star hotel suite. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring modern fixtures, a rainfall shower, premium finishes, and intelligent water management systems. Overall, the interior focuses on comfort, privacy, and elegance, making long journeys feel effortless. Now let's talk about performance, which is where this concept truly separates itself from traditional motorhomes. While official specifications are not confirmed, a 2026 Bugatti-inspired motorhome would likely feature a hybrid or fully electric high-performance powertrain. Expect massive torque delivery, smooth acceleration, and advanced all-wheel drive systems to manage the weight and size with confidence. Active suspension technology would keep the ride stable and comfortable, automatically adjusting to road conditions and load. Advanced braking systems, possibly inspired by Bugatti's carbon ceramic technology, would ensure safe and controlled stopping power. In terms of driving assistance, this vehicle would be packed with next-generation technology. Autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and AI-based navigation systems would make driving this giant surprisingly easy. Despite its size, the performance focus ensures it feels controlled, refined, and powerful on highways and long routes. Finally, let's talk about pricing. This is clearly not designed for the average buyer. A 2026 Bugatti luxury motorhome concept like this would likely carry an estimated price starting well above $2 million, with fully customized versions easily crossing $3 to $4 million depending on materials, technology, and bespoke options. This places it in the ultra-luxury segment, competing more with private jets and yachts than traditional RVs. In conclusion, this 2026 Bugatti-inspired motorhome represents the absolute peak of luxury, design, and innovation on wheels. It combines bold futuristic styling, an ultra-premium interior, advanced performance technology, and exclusivity that only a few can afford. This is not just a way to travel, it is a lifestyle statement for those who demand the best in everything they own. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most insane luxury vehicles ever imagined, stay tuned with MH Car Review for more exclusive automotive content.